it's going to ask the question, does salt change the temperature of ice? What we first got to do today is we have to take our thermometer that we have salt, spoon to stir the salt in. This is a stopwatch and a graph to tell us our temperatures at the certain times. We're going to do this. 0 is the control for no salt, and then each 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the minutes. So I'm going to put the thermometer in here and find out the temperature. This is a digital thermometer, so you have like some other kind of thermometer that works too. It takes a couple minutes or seconds, whatever. Okay, well I got 32 point. Okay. We'll say 32 degrees. Current temperature, without any salt notes, 32 degrees. And then what we're going to do is take our salt. It says we're going to put 5 spoonfuls of it in. To stir it into the ice to make sure it really gets in there. I recommend using a glass stirrer, but I didn't really have one, so this will have to work. Okay, and we're going to take our stopwatch and time for a minute. Okay, we're about at a minute. We're at 53 seconds. So I'm going to get my thermometer, handy dandy thermometer ready. Okay, we're in a minute, so we're going to check it. Our temperature takes a couple seconds to get caught up.
This is where my video is. I'm waiting for my temperature, and when I found out my temperature, it went from 32 degrees to 17 degrees. And as I waited, I kept the thermometer in, and the temperature continued to go down and get colder. As the 3rd minute came around, it had reached 7.5 degrees, and then when I reached on to the 4th minute, I got 7.5 degrees, and then the temperature just kept on dropping. But as it kept melting, the temperature did start going back up somewhat. But as I could see in the experiment, that the salt made the ice somehow get colder, thus making the experiment interesting. But people might get different results. Generally speaking, in my case, I did get different results as it went from low temperatures to a higher temperature, because I went from 7.5 degrees to 13.5 degrees. So children, you might find something different than I found. But generally speaking, you should be able to have your ice get colder versus higher, because the ice seems to versely make the salt makes the ice colder because it brings down the melting point for the ice. So, thanks for watching my experiment.